Alright, so we got these little figurines for our fairy garden. That's the cool thing about Dollar Tree. These things are only $1.25 each, and I could have got so much more, but as you see here in this video, this is all what they have here. Alright, so all that I could have got. Don't mind Luke's little bed head. He's been lazy all day. But let's see what all I got to put in our little garden. Alright, Luke, let's show them what we got here.
So first we got these little gnomes.
Get the little gnomes. Got one and a looks like it's sleeping. He's got like one in a pacifier, another one. So these are like a little 3-piece set. They're like little babies. All right.
Now we got a little cabin.
Yeah, it says welcome.
Treehouse.
Yeah, it looks like little lanterns up front, little leaves, flowers. We could paint that up, make it look even better, but it's okay. $1.25, you can't beat it. Little tree house, got a little dragonfly on it.
I got another tree house. It says home.
Yeah.
He's putting the sign on.
Yeah, the little gnome is putting a home sign out. I like that. That's pretty cute.
Mushrooms growing out.
Yep, sure does.
Can't see his eyes.
Yep. Little camper.
Yeah.
Got the little back glass. That side's flat. Got the wheels on there. No hitch. But man, I could really paint these things up and make them look so much better. But maybe that'll be another project for another time. I can get another one and we can paint it up, make it look even better. All right, Luke. First impression. What do you think about these?
These are going to look really cool.
All right. So let's go ahead and walk over here and show what we're doing. So this is where my green beans are going to be up. I got green beans planted all the way around the edges, and I got it fishing line up, so all my green beans are going to drive up all the way up top. But I left this side open so I could grab my green beans. But I got thinking this little open area right here will be a perfect spot to put these little figurines at. All right, Luke, let's get down here and I'll let you place them the way you want to. Go ahead, let's make this fairy garden.
No, I want to put this
All right.
good.
Yep, let's put it on over there because we got a little green bean flying up right there. All right.
No, I'll do this one. This one maybe. Put it back there. Why can't get all the way back there?
That's fine. Just, you can step right in the middle because I ain't got no green beans planted right there. Yeah, it'll be all right. All right. Just watch out because I do got green beans planted right around that post. All right. Got that welcome one. These little guys may be a little tricky because they're small, but go ahead and open them up and place those 3 wherever you want to. Up.
Drop one that's standing up.
All right, I'm gonna sit right here beside you. Wherever you want to put them. It's your choices. All right, he's gonna put one right beside the little greenhouse. All right. He's gonna put another one right by the camper. The little red cap one by the camper. I think that fits pretty good. All right, last one.
Put this one.
The little Sleeping Beauty.
This
I'm gonna put them right next to the other camper. Hey, I think that fits really good, buddy. Yep. So we got this guy right by the front right of our teepee, and we got the other 3 houses right in the middle. So this thing, once it grows up, it's gonna look really cool. So I will give you guys another video pretty soon on when our green beans grow up the trellis. And if we get some more fairy garden pieces, we will make some more videos for you guys. So I think this is gonna add to our garden even more, kind of enjoyment, little added bonus. So we will see. As you can see, it's already hot. I'm sweating. I ain't been out here that long, but Luke, don't you think this is gonna add to our gardening experience for 2024?
Yes.
And do you want to get more fairy stuff to put in our little garden?
Yes.
All right, so we can add more in here, build this little section up. I got some cucumbers over there that we can add some fairy stuff to. Pumpkins. I wish I could find some Cinderella stuff that we can add to the pumpkins. I think that would add to the experience. But I don't know, it's fun to get out and do stuff with your kid and added little experiences and memories growing up, and just adds to the garden. I mean, you know, why not? And that's a great thing about Dollar Tree, that you can buy this stuff just $1.25 each. You could go to Hobby Lobby, but no telling how much Hobby Lobby fairy stuff is going to be. Maybe I'll check them out and we can talk about it. But guys, I appreciate each and every one of you that watched the video. Please subscribe. We ain't begging, but we would greatly appreciate you joining our journey on YouTube. Luke, what do you think so far?
It's going to look really cool.
I think so too. Anything else you want to say to everybody on YouTube land? Like and subscribe. Bing, bing. Anything else?
That's cool.
That's cool. All right, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. And until next time, peace.